Are you in need of removing watermark from PDF files? Introducing SysTools PDF Watermark Remover. PDF Watermark Remover Tool. Remove watermark from multiple PDF documents. Key features of the software. PDF Watermark Remover Tool. Remove image and text watermark from multiple PDF files. The software can remove watermark from password-protected PDF file. PDF Watermark Remover Tool maintains original data of PDF files during process. PDF Watermark Remover Tool can remove multiple watermarks from PDF. To download the software, go to Google and search SysTools PDF Watermark Remover Tool. Click on the link that appears in the search results. Then click on the download button. Now install and run the software. The first window will appear of the software. You will see two options to add PDF files, add files or add folders. Click on any one and select PDF files. Click on Open button. If you have added wrong file, then you can remove by clicking on Remove or Remove All option. You can also arrange PDF files with Move Up and Move Down options respectively. If you have any password-protected PDF, then enter the secured PDF password. You can choose to save or print resultant PDF files. You can also choose to remove any kind of encryption in the resultant PDF files. By default, the tool will save files on desktop in a folder. To change the saving location, click on Change and select desired location. Click on the Preview button to view the PDF page before generating results. Here is the PDF page with watermark. At last, click on the Remove button to remove the watermark. Once the process gets complete, Watermark Removed Successfully pops up. Click on OK. Now, click on the destination path link to see the resultant PDF files. And you will see, the watermark has been removed. Log on to the given product page for more detail in purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.